Hello everybody, it's me again, Sensui350A. I've got something interesting to show you, aside from fan noise. I have this. This is a model GM-X334. I'm going to try to zoom in on the model plate for you, and you can read all that bits and bobs of shit. If it decides it wants to focus, which it probably won't do. You can almost read it. Anyway, it's GM-X334 made by Pioneer. It's a 4-channel car amplifier for the Jeep. EA car amplifier. Because right now I'm running off the factory head unit. Well, it's nice. It's not quite enough power. Now, this isn't much more, but this is backed by a lot more horsepower, even though it's only 30 watts RMS times 4, which is fine. I could bridge any of the 2 channels. I could make it more if I wanted it to be, but I don't need it to be, so I'm not going to bother. There's your 4-channel outputs, channel A and B. And then here's your 4-channel high-level input. So if you have to add onto a car stereo without RCA outputs on it, you can add it to it. There's your power signal and ground, your 25 amp fuse. Nice little shot of the casing, which it's in pretty decent shape. Only cost me $40 to the door used, so that was nice. And then on the back here you have your 4-channel input, which you can use a selector switch. So if you only have 2-channel RCA outputs, you can use this with that system. This thing is not focusing today at all. It's trying to, but it doesn't want to decide to cooperate with me. Well, I almost had it. If only I could force it to manual focus. Oh well. Anyway, you have selectable high and low pass filter here. And your gain control, and then channel A has again gain control and your high and low pass filter. High pass cuts your bass frequencies, low pass cuts everything else but your bass frequencies. So if you want to use this as a sub channel, you can, which is why it's, you know, individual. You can bridge any of the 2. You know, you can bridge across channel B or bridge across channel A. So you could use this to drive a small sub like an 8. It also has a bass boost knob as well, which is kind of handy if you've got something, you know, where your low frequencies are just not there and you need to just crank it just a hair. Although that will go a lot more than just a hair. And why is my light on? Whatever. Anyway, it all works. It's been tested. Next vid here I'm going to show you some speakers I've got for it. But anyway, it's just a look at this puppy. Nothing fancy. Again, it's 30 by 4 RMS at 4 ohms. I believe it's 2 ohm stable, possibly even 1 ohm. The nameplate's pretty worn. I have a service manual for this, I believe, and I think I can acquire an owner's manual, so that'll be something I grab. So, yeah, it's just, I know it's been a while, a lot of shit going on, so, alrighty, so that's that, and I'll show you the speakers here in a little bit, okay? So until then, bye-bye.